Today I'm popping in to do a review on this cordless glue gun. It's a really good size, so you can see here it is in my hand. You can see it has a little charging port and an indicator light on the back. It does come with the charger that you need, so I've already gone ahead and charged it. The directions do indicate that as soon as you get it, you should charge it to 100% before you use it. You have your on-off button here. You just slide that on. You have the nice little metal stand here to kind of help keep it upright when you're working on a project. You also have the little area here where you put the glue sticks, and it is really nice because this product comes with a big stack of glue sticks that'll fit in there, as well as some very simple instructions on how to go ahead and use it. So let's go ahead and get it turned on. All you have to do is slide this to on. You'll see the little blue light comes on here. When you are charging this, the light will be red, and then when it's fully charged, it will turn green. So it is nice that you know when it's fully charged. So let's go ahead, we're gonna let this heat up. Something to note with this glue gun, you have this little option here, and when you twist this, you're gonna actually notice that the handle moves, your trigger. And that's kind of nice because when you're using this, you can either have the handle so that when you pull it down, you get more glue in a squeeze, or you can adjust it so that you get kind of a smaller trigger pull. It's just kind of a nice adjustment that you have on this glue gun. All right, so it hasn't taken long, and you can see I've already got a little bit of glue. If I go ahead and kind of squeeze that trigger, go ahead and put that on my paper. You'll see you've got your hot glue on there. Let's go ahead and fold that in half. You can definitely feel the heat on the glue on the other side of that paper. You can see that it is glued on there, and it's dried pretty quickly. You can obviously purchase different types of glue. Some of it will require a little bit of a hotter, but you can see glue gun works great. I love that this is a cordless glue gun. I also love that it has this rubber tip to kind of help protect the hot part on the end, so you have less chance of touching that hot piece on the tip. If this is a product you are considering, I do recommend it. It feels really good in the hand. I love the full trigger on it. I love especially that it's cordless, of course. That makes it so much easier to use. You don't have to, have it next to an outlet. You can use it anywhere that you want to. Makes it very, very easy to take to your project and work. This is a product that the manufacturer has sent me in exchange for my honest, unbiased opinion. Hopefully my review has helped you decide if it's the right product for you or not, but I'm very excited to get crafting.